Everyone thinks the best-selling neem oil spray is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Best Naturals Neem Oil. The Best Naturals 100% pure neem oil. What caught my eye is that it's cold-pressed and unrefined, coming in at just $13.99 for a generous 16 ounces. If you want pure, effective neem oil for gardening, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This neem oil is antibacterial, which means you can use it to effectively combat pests and diseases in your garden. It's unscented, so you won't have to deal with any strong odors while you're spraying your plants. Plus, with over 3,000 units sold in the past month, it's clearly gaining traction. Now, some people complained about the packaging being a bit basic, which might not feel premium. Here's the thing though, if you're focused on getting quality neem oil for your plants, the results will outweigh the packaging issues. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a straightforward, effective neem oil for your garden. Skip this one if you're looking for a scented product or a fancy bottle. For the price, it delivers great value.
Product number 2, Neem Oil for Plants. The Neem Oil for Plants by the Green Alcove, priced at $21.87. This one's interesting because it claims to make up to 30 bottles of spray, which caught my attention. If you want an economical solution for indoor houseplants and outdoor gardens, this is worth checking out. The unique feature here is that it's mixed with essential oils for an aromatic experience during application. This means not only are you taking care of your plants, but you can also enjoy the process. With cleansing and energizing properties, it's a multitasking spray that helps your plants thrive while adding a relaxing scent to your space. However, some users mention that the mixing instructions are a bit vague, which can lead to confusion. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate the flexibility this product offers. This is perfect for you if you love taking care of your plants and want an aromatic experience with your gardening routine. Skip this one if you're looking for something straightforward without the extra fuss. It's a good value for the amount you can make.
Product number 3, Planta Vica Pure Neem Oil. The Planta Vica Pure Neem Oil, priced at $13.49 for 16 ounces. I was drawn to its claim of being 100% cold-pressed and natural. If you want a multi-purpose neem oil that's safe for both skin and plants, this is worth a look. The key here is its versatility. It's packed with antioxidants and fatty acids, making it great for skin, hair, and even pet care. You can use it on your plants too, which means you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. Plus, it comes with clear mixing instructions for both plants and beauty applications. On the downside, some users reported that it can feel greasy when applied topically. Here's the thing though, this is often the case with natural oils, and a little goes a long way to reap all those benefits. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a product that works for both your garden and your beauty routine. Skip this one if you prefer lighter oils that absorb quickly. For the price, it's a solid investment. Product number 4, Kate Blank Neem Oil. We have the Kate Blank Cosmetics Neem Oil, which is priced at $9.99 for 4 ounces. What really stood out to me is its organic certification and the fact that it's travel-sized. If you want a neem oil that's easy to carry around and still effective, this is a good one to consider. This neem oil is known for its ability to help improve skin appearance and combat dryness, which is perfect for those of you struggling with irritation or blemishes. It's also great for hair and can even be added to your pet's products to keep their coat healthy. The organic aspect means you're not putting any harsh chemicals on your skin or plants. However, some customers mentioned that the scent can be a bit strong and may not be to everyone's liking. Here's the thing. If you're focused on natural ingredients, the benefits will outweigh the scent issue. This is perfect for you if you want an organic option that works for multiple uses, including your pets. Skip this one if you're sensitive to strong scents or want a larger quantity. It's a decent value for a high-quality organic product.
Product number 5, Big Leaf Energy Neem Oil Spray. We have the Big Leaf Energy Organic Neem Oil Spray, priced at $20.95 for 16 ounces. I was impressed by its blend of essential oils, which promises healthier plants and a pleasant smell during application. If you want a ready-to-use spray that offers advanced protection for your plants, this is definitely worth checking out. This product boasts up to 3x more azadirachtin than ordinary neem sprays, which means a more effective solution against pests and diseases. The fine mist sprayer ensures efficient coverage without the mess, making it user-friendly for both indoor and outdoor plants. Plus, it's biodegradable and safe for pets and people, which is a huge plus.
Now, some users noted that it may not be effective on severe infestations. Here's the thing, for routine care and prevention, it shines, but you might need something stronger if you're dealing with a heavy pest problem. This is perfect for you if you want an organic solution that's easy to use and smells great. Skip this one if you have a severe pest issue or want a stronger treatment. It offers good value for an organic product.
So to wrap it up, we've got Best Naturals for pure quality, the Green Alcove for value and volume, Plantivoca for a multi-purpose approach, Kate Blank for organic travel size, and Big Leaf Energy for an easy-to-use option. Each has its strengths, so you can choose based on your specific needs.